Hello student of class 7, once again I'm Sudhir and welcome to my video. In today's video I will show you the chapter number 7, congruency of triangle. This is the last portion of the chapter, that is congruency of triangles. So in today's topic we have criteria for the congruency of triangles. We have criteria for the congruency of triangle as today's topic, and we have to understand about the different criteria to show that the two given triangles are congruent. So altogether there are four types of criteria in which the given triangles are said to be congruent. So what type of criteria there are? So let us see. First of all, we have the criteria called SS criteria. SSS criteria means side, side, side. In this criteria, you'll find that all the three sides of a triangle is equal to the three sides of the other triangles. But the sides should be corresponding side, okay, clear? Or corresponding sides of the triangles. Now, if under a given correspondence, the three sides of one triangle are equal to the three corresponding sides of the another triangle, then the triangles are said to be congruent triangle. Okay. Then here we have one diagram here. So in this diagram, two triangles are there, triangle ABC and triangle RPQ. Because why I just take RPQ? Because R is the corresponding points of the A, and B corresponding point is P, and C corresponding point is Q. That's why I'm taking the name RPQ. Clear? So let us see in these two triangles how we can state that these two triangles are congruent under this criteria called SSS. You can see here by just observing also you can understand that you see the side AC is similar or equal to the side uh, RQ, 5 centimeter, isn't it? And you see BC and PQ, they are also same, 7.1 centimeter, and the third side, that is AB and RPU, also they are equal, having 3.5 centimeter each, isn't it? So all the three sides of these two triangles are equal to one another, and also this equal sides are also corresponding sides. So what happened, since all the three sides of the triangle is equal to the other corresponding sides of the other triangle, then these two triangles are said to be congruent triangle. Okay, so let us see step by step how we can just understand more about these two congruent triangle. Okay, now in the given diagram, just that you see AC is equal to QR, and both are 5 centimeters, and this is side of the one side of the triangle, isn't it? Then next, AB is equal to PR, which are also equal, and they both have 3.5 centimeter each, and they are also corresponding side. Once again, we have that BC is equal to PQ, which is 7.1 centimeter each. So this is also another side, means this is the third side. Okay, so we can see that all the three corresponding three sides are equal to one another. Then in the above we find that the corresponding three sides of the triangle are equal. Therefore, the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle RPQ by SS criteria. So SS criteria means in the two triangle, if you find that the corresponding sides are equal to one another, then the two triangle are congruent triangle. Okay, you know that what is congruent? Congruency means uh, similarity. Okay, so in the geometry we take this symmetry as the congruence. Okay, congruence means similarity. Okay, similar means congruence, or congruence means similar. Okay, means they are like triangle, they are same triangle. Okay, clear? So we take this term as congruent. Okay, congruent triangle means same triangle. Okay, so we have this SS criteria here now. Now next criteria, let us see. In next criteria we have SAS criteria. So SAS criteria means side angle side. So here one thing we have to be little aware is that two sides, the two corresponding sides of two triangles must equal, and also one angle, this angle also corresponding angles only means correspond angle. There are three angles, not it's not that any one of the triangle angle, not that, but this angle should be corresponding, as well as this angle should be included angle. Why it is included angle? You see that here in this name also, that is criteria SAS criteria. In the name itself, what happened? Angle is should be in between the two sides. Means angle should be formed by the corresponding sides, not the other angles. Okay, three angles are there in the triangle, not any, but one angle must be there, that is included angle, and included angle. So let us see what is an included angle. Okay, by some example. So therefore, there when you see here, if under a correspondence two sides and the angle included between them of a triangle are equal to corresponding sides, and the angle included between them. Angle included between them means angle formed by the two sides. See, when the two sides are joining, you know that at that point of their joining, an angle will form. That angle only, not the other angle. Okay, clear? So between them of the other angle, then the triangles are congruent. Once again, if the two sides and that included angle is equal to the other corresponding sides and that included angle between them of the another triangle, okay, is equal to another triangle. So once again, in if under a correspondence two sides and the angle included between them of a triangle are equal to two corresponding sides and angle included between them of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. So that two triangles will be set, the two triangles are said to be congruent under this criteria called SAS, means side angle side. Okay, side angle side. Understand? Yes. So let us see with some more example here. My dear student, I am giving here one diagram. In these two diagrams, you can see here triangle ABC and triangle DEF. In these two triangles, you can see that the side AB, side AB, side AB is equal to side EF. Okay, side EF. So here again another side, there is BC and DE. BC and DE are also same. Okay, so what happened? This these two sides, you can see these two sides. This is two side of the first triangle and another two side of this another triangle here. Second triangle, they are equal. Isn't it? They are equal here. So again, what happened? One angle is formed by these two corresponding equal sides. Here 50 degree, here was 50 degree. That is angle B and angle E are equal, and these two angles are formed in between these two sides. Here also in between these two sides, not the angle here or here. Okay, so this is the angle that formed between the equal sides. You see equal side, isn't it? Equal side means equal to the other equal of the other equal of the sides of the other triangle. You can see, isn't it? So here this the angle forming in between this side, this particular sides are also equal. So this angle here forming in between this side, that is called equal side. Equal means not among them, but equal to the side of the other, isn't it? Other triangle. So this the angle formed in between these two sides. So this angle is called included angle, not the other angle here. Not angle A or angle C. Angle B or angle E is called included angle, and they are same. In this case, okay, in such situation, these two triangles are said to be congruent by the criteria called SAS. SAS, side angle side. One side same. Isn't it? Yes, and one angle, and one side again. Two sides are equal, and their included angle also equal. That means these two triangles are said to be congruent under the criteria called SAS. So let us see with some more examples in return. In the diagram, we have that AB is equal to EF. AB is equal to EF as they are 7 centimeter each and it's one side here. Okay, clear? And next you see angle B is equal to angle E, which they are having 50 degree each, and they are called included angles forming between the two sides which are corresponding and equal. Okay. Then next we have BC is equal to DE, which are of 7.1 centimeter. It is not 7.1 centimeter. So once again, just when you see here, in this two diagram we have that AB is equal to EF, which is 7 centimeter as side. Okay, they are the corresponding side. They are equal, and two angle, that is angle B and angle E. Angle B and angle E. Angle B and angle E are equal. They have 50 degree each, and these are included angle as well. Okay, and next we have, you see, BC. BC is equal to uh, DE. BC is equal to DE, and they are another side. Okay, so we found that two sides are equal in these two triangle, and one included angle, that is angle forming between the corresponding sides, so they are also equal. That means when these three conditions are found there as they are equal to one another, then we can say that this given triangle, triangle ABC and angle DEF, are congruent triangle. Okay, so in the above we find that the corresponding two sides and one included angle of a triangle are equal to one another. So therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by SAS criteria. SAS means side, angle, side. So in this order also I just show you here that side, angle, side. Okay, side, angle, side. If you find in this way that two sides are equal and their included angles are same, then you must remember that these two triangles can said to be, or are said to be congruent. Okay, under the criteria called SAS criteria, side, angle, side. Okay, so this is the criteria. We have that as AS criteria. Now we have another criteria. So let us go to the next criteria. Now next criteria is ASA criteria. So ASA congruency criteria. Here you can understand that A stand for angle and S for stand for side, and another A also stand for the angle only. So that means that if two corresponding angles are equal in two triangles, okay, if two corresponding angles are equal in two triangles, and also the included side, here is included side, before one is included angle, and now included side means the side between the two equal angles is called included side. If one included side and two angles are same in two triangles, then the two triangles are said to be congruent under this criteria called ASA, angle, side, angle. Okay, so let us see with some more example, my dear student. We have that if under a correspondence, two angles and the included side of a triangle are equal to two corresponding angles, and the included side uh, of another triangle. Okay, once again, if under a correspondence, two angles and the included side of a triangle are equal to corresponding angles and the included side of the other triangle, then the triangles are congruent. Okay, so we have a diagram here. In this diagram you can just see that a triangle, yes, triangle RPQ and triangle MLN. Okay, you can see here, my dear student, see 60 degree here, these two are equal, and 30 degree they are equal. Okay, clear? And you can see one side here, this side, RQ is the side between these two angles which are equal to the other two angles of the another triangle, isn't it? So this side is called included angle, and likewise here also in this second diagram, second triangle, you can see that LN is side, that is included side, means side between the two angles is also equal to the other included side of the first triangle, isn't it? Yes, first triangle and the second triangle. You see this RQ and the LN are the included sides. Okay, and two angles 60 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree, 30 degree, they are equal. So these two triangles are said to be congruent under the criteria, that is ASA criteria. Okay, ASA means angle side angle. You can see angle side angle. Okay, angle side angle, like this. So let us see with step by step in written. In the given diagram, we have that angle R is equal to angle L. Angle R is equal to angle L. They are 60 degree each, and then um, side. Okay, RQ is equal to LN, which they are 6 centimeter each, and this is the included sides of the two triangle. Then one more angle, that is angle Q is equal to angle N. Angle Q is equal to angle N, which they are 30 degree each of the two triangles, and they are equal to one another, isn't it? So here we found that two angles are same, two angles are equal of the triangles. Okay, means two angle of a triangle is equal to the two angles of the another triangle, and also their included sides are also equal. So that means these two triangle are said to be congruent triangle under the criteria called ASA criteria. Okay, so you see in the above we find that corresponding two angles and one included sides of the triangle are equal. Therefore, triangle PQR is congruent to triangle MNL by. So my dear student, once again please see here. So we have that therefore triangle PQR is congruent to triangle ML by ASA criteria. ASA means angle side angle criteria. Okay, means two angles are equal. Okay, two angles of a triangle is equal to the two triangle of the another triangle, and these angles are the corresponding angle. Okay, angles forming on the corresponding points are called or are said to be corresponding angle. These corresponding angles, that is angle R and angle L, are corresponding angles. They are same. Another angle again, another corresponding angle. See, corresponding means angle. You can see here Q and L are corresponding points. So the angle forming on them is called corresponding angle. So this corresponding angle are same, 30-30, isn't it? Here also R and L are the corresponding points, and angle forming on them is called corresponding angles, and they are same. You can see that two corresponding angles of a triangle is equal to the two corresponding angle of the other triangle, and also their included sides are also equal. That is 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter side here, isn't it? Which is an included side. So here we are set, or we can say that these two triangle PQR and triangle MNL are said to be congruent. So we can say that they are congruent under the criteria called ASA, means angle side angle. Here also angle side angle. Okay, angle side angle. So these two triangle are said to be congruent triangle by the criteria called ASA criteria. Understand? Yes. Now let us go to the next criteria. One more criteria we have to be discussed. So this is about the criteria called ASA criteria. Now next we have another criteria. So let us see. Next criteria we have RSS criteria. R stand for right angles, H stand for hypotenuse, and A stand for one of the side. We know that three sides are there in a triangle. So this is about the right angle triangle. Clear? If there are two right angle triangles and you found that right angle will be same because the both will be the right angle triangle, isn't it? And if the hypotenuse are found to be equal, and also one of the side is also equal, okay, then the two triangle can said to be congruent by this criteria called RSS criteria. So let us see with examples here. My dear student, if under a correspondence the hypotenuse and one side of the right angle triangle are respectively equal to the other hypotenuse and one side of the another right angle triangle, then the right angle triangle are congruent triangle. Triangles are congruent triangle. Okay. So let us see with the example here. Here we have one diagram. In these two diagrams, you can see here uh, these two are right angle triangle, angle ARPQ and angle triangle ABC. Once again, we got two triangle here, triangle RPQ and triangle ABC here, and in which you can find that angle P and angle B are the right angles. They are definitely will be equal because right angles are same, isn't it? Then you see RP and AB, they are same sides, and the hypotenuse, the side which is opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse, isn't it? So their hypotenuse RQ and AC, you can find that they are also equal to one another, isn't it? But that means that uh, three elements, okay, three elements are found to be equal of these two triangles, and these three elements are hypotenuse, right angle, and one side. So these two triangles are also said to be congruent triangle under the criteria called RSS. R stand for right angle, is stand for hypotenuse, and S stand for S side. Okay, one of the side. Two side will be there beside the hypotenuse in this triangle. So if one of the side, that should be the corresponding side. Once again, there should be a corresponding side. Okay, note that RP and BC, RP and BC, okay, are not the corresponding sides. RP and AB are the corresponding sides. They are equal, isn't it? And hypotenuse is will be the hypotenuse only, no corresponding, not any, there are not any other hypotenuse. So their hypotenuse are also same. And the right angle there is, isn't it? So here we found that hypotenuse are also same, right angles are also same here, and one of the corresponding side is also equal. This means that the given two triangles here in the diagram are said to be congruent under the criteria called RSS criteria. Now let us see by step in written. In the given diagram, we have that angle P is equal to angle B, which is 90 degree, and they are right angles, isn't it? Then RQ is equal to AC, which is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle, and we have that RP is equal to AB, that is 3 centimeter each, and as a corresponding side of the two triangles are found to be equal, are same here. So therefore, in the above, we find that the hypotenuse and one side of the right angle triangle are equal here. So therefore, triangle RPQ, triangle RPQ is congruent to triangle ABC by RSS criterion. RSS criterion means where the two right angle triangles, or in which in two right angle triangle in which the right angles are same, hypotenuse are same, and one of the corresponding side is same, then these two triangles are said to be congruent under RSS criteria. That is the criteria we have. So this is the last criteria that we could go through to solve the next exercise 7.2. Okay, so here we have the four criteria to prove or to find out whether the given two triangles are congruent or not. So at least we need three elements to be equal, that also must be corresponding points or corresponding side or corresponding angles. Okay, so if we found that three elements of the two triangles uh, are same to their correspondings, then it is said to be a congruent triangles. That is what I would like to tell you and to understand it. Okay, so let's go to the next part of our lesson. Next part of the lesson we have exercise 7.2. So next we have exercise 7.2. So let us start with 7.2. Is the last exercise of this chapter number 7. Now in question number 1 we have like this: which congruent criterion do you use in the following? So let us see what is the question. See, in the question all the diagrams are given here. We have four questions are here, A, B, C, D, and in each diagrams are given here. See, in the first one, A, diagrams are given on the right side, that there is triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Okay, in these two triangle it is given that AC is equal to DF. AC is equal to DF, AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF. That means the corresponding side of a triangle is equal to, all the corresponding sides of a triangle are equal to the corresponding side of the another triangle. That means all the three corresponding sides are found to be equal to one another, isn't it? Means equal to the uh, are equal with these two triangles. Once again, all the corresponding side of a triangle is equal to the corresponding side of the other triangle. All the three sides. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. So what is the name of the criteria that we can say that these two triangles are congruent? Yes, you can understand that side. That is SS criteria. Okay, so we have like this: by SS congruency criterion, the two triangles are said to be congruent. Okay, then next B, we have two triangle here, triangle PQR and triangle XYZ here. So in these two triangle, it's given that uh, ZX, ZX and RP are equal. Okay, and RQ is equal to ZY. Again, angle measurement angle PRQ and measurement angle XZY are also equal. This angles are equal. Okay, angle here, angle R and angle Z is equal. RP is equal to ZX, and RQ is equal to ZY here. That means two sides are found to be equal. The two corresponding sides of the two triangles are found to be equal, and their included sides are also. So in this given here be uh, two corresponding sides are equal, isn't it? That means two sides of a triangle is equal to the two sides of the other triangle, and their included sides, included angles. Angle R and angle Z are the included angle. That means angle between the two corresponding and also equal sides. These two angles are between the two corresponding and equal sides of the two triangles, isn't it? So angle R and angle Z are included angles. So here we find that two sides and one included angles are equal in these two triangles. So by what criteria that we can say that these two triangles are congruent? But here already given that triangle PQR is congruent to triangle XYZ. So by which criterion that we can prove it, or we can say that they are congruent? Yes, it is by SAS congruency criterion, means side angle side. Okay, next number C. In number C we have two diagram, two triangles are given there, triangle LMN and triangle GFH. Okay, in these two triangle is given that measurement angle MLN, means angle L, and next angle L is equal to FGH, means angle L is equal to angle G, and here NML is equal to angle GFH. Okay, that means angle M is equal to angle F. L and G are equal now, and M and F are equal now. Okay, means two angles two angles are equal. Two angles are equal now, and again it is giving that given that ML ML is equal to FG, means one included sides are also equal here in these two triangles. See these two sides, that is ML and FG. ML and FG are the two sides are also corresponding sides, and also they are equal, and they are again included side, means in between the two angles which are equal, that is angle L and angle M. Once again angle F and angle G. So these two angles, in between these two angles the sides are there, means these sides are called included sides. So if one included side and two uh, angles are found to be equal, isn't it? They are equal to one another. So therefore triangle LMN is congruent to triangle GFH. So by what criterion then we can prove it that they are congruent triangle? Yes, it is by ASA congruency criterion, means angle side angle. Okay, angle side angle. Understand? Angle side angle. So side is in between because this side should be included angle. Okay. By writing the S in between is that one side which is equal should be an included side. Means side between the two equal angles. So in C, the criterion is ASA, angle side angle. Okay. Now let's go to the next question, that is question number D. In question number D, you can see that in this diagram, you can see uh, AE is equal to BC. AE is equal to BC. They are the corresponding sides. Okay. And again, EB. EB is equal to BD. And angle A and angle C are equal. Angle A and angle C, they are right angles. So these two triangles, triangle ABE and CDB. ABE and CDB are the two triangles which is called right angle triangles. In these two right angle triangles, we found that right angles are same, and two corresponding sides are equal, that is AE and BC. These two sides are equal, and you can see that the hypotenuse, which is the side equal to the right angle, their hypotenuse, there is EB and DB. EB and DB, they are also equal. Hypotenuse are also equal, and and a corresponding side are also equal here, and right angle is obviously equal. So which means that these two triangle, you can see a triangle ABE and triangle CDB are said to be congruent triangle. Means so triangle, once again let us see here in this question, given EB is equal to DB. Okay, which are the hypotenuse, isn't it? And AE is also equal to BC, which are the other corresponding sides of the triangle, and angle A is equal to angle C, for they are 90 degrees each, isn't it? So we found that one right angle, one hypotenuse, and one side are equal in these two triangles, isn't it? That means these two triangles are said to be congruent triangle. Yes, is already given here. So triangle ABE is congruent to triangle CDB. So by what criterion we can show it that they are congruent triangles? So what is the criterion using here, and what the criterion that we use to say that these two given triangles are congruent in D? That is your. So my dear student, now in D, we have that these two triangles are congruent. So these two triangles are congruent by the criterion called RHS congruence criterion. Okay, RHS means, see, right angles are same, their hypotenuse are same, and one of the corresponding side is also or are also equal, isn't it? So by RHS congruency criterion, the two triangle, that is ABE and triangle CDB are said to be congruent triangle. So this is the answer for question number one, and then the other exercise, I mean questions of the same exercise will be in the next my coming up video. So for today, so I would like to conclude here, and we'll meet again in the next video with the same exercise, same chapter, and with some other questions of the exercise. Okay, till then, have a nice day, all of you, my dear student. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you once again. Bye bye.